Welcome, this is your boy Mr. X, and in this video I'm going to show you how you guys can make up to $6,000 a month with affiliate marketing with completely free traffic method. Before we're going to start the video, you guys must subscribe this channel, hit the bell icon, and let's go. So step number one is we go to Digistore24 and simply we go to marketplace and we're going to select a product, and I'm going to show you really cool strategy. For that strategy we are selecting internet marketing and e-business niche. Simply click this and I'm going to show you a product which I'm going to select in this video. So scroll all the way down and I think that product in the second page. So I am going into the second page, and this strategy works really well. Very few people know about that strategy. So we're going to select this product. Is called Get Paid as Live Chat Assistant. So this is like job related offer, and this will like make money for if anybody do this job, they will start make money, right? So first of all, let's see the sales page. And affiliate support page is really important for this strategy which I'm going to show you. And you guys can see this offer gives you like 75% commission, and you guys can make like up to more than $20 every single sale. Okay, so we're going to promote this offer, and this kind of offers works really well. Why? Because a lot of people are trying to find jobs, online jobs. So this is a sales page of this offer. Find your perfect online job, and there is a small VSL, like 5-minute VSL I think, and scroll down. If anybody convinced with this VSL, they just simply scroll down, and again this is a small quiz. If for example if anybody wants to make $1,000 per week, they directly simply click this and the next quiz will pops up, and simply click and they directly go to the checkout page, and then this man will buy that offer and we get like more than $20 commission. Okay, so in this way this offer converts really well. That's why we're going to promote this offer, and I'm going to show you really cool strategy. So simply close this, and this is affiliate page. Like you guys can see affiliates, and this vendor provides us a lot of things. You guys can see promo link, email swipe, banners, product images, PPC ads. It means like if you're promoting through Google ads, then you guys need PPC demographic. If for example if you're promoting through Facebook ads, then you guys need demographics, contact support, or other offers. So what we need for this strategy, so there's a lot of stuff, but we need like email swipes. Simply click email swipes, and I'm going to show you a strategy how we're going to promote this offer with email swipes. So this vendor provides us like 5 email swipes. Okay, so we need this email swipes. So simply let's open this page and we go to the next side, but before, make sure promote this, get your affiliate link and save in your notepad. Okay, so once you did this, then we go to this site. Is called like Hercules.com. So what this site does, like tens of thousands of people every single day came to this site to promote their affiliate offers. And if I scroll down, so this website provides you like different ways to give you send traffic to your affiliate offer. So for example, one of the most popular way is email marketing. So this website have like more than 200,000 emails this website have, and this website also provides you like different ways to send traffic to your affiliate offer. And I'm going to show you how you guys can promote your offer in this with this website. So first step is we just simply click sign up. So scroll down and you guys can see Hercules Plus, and it is very easy. You guys can also create account, your first name, last name, where did you hear about us. You guys simply type YouTube, username, password, and scroll down. You guys simply add your email, and again you guys add your same email in here and just simply click create your account. So it is very basic. Once you create your account, so I created my account. So once you create your account will exactly look like this once you sign up in the first time. Okay, so there is a 3 offers, so there is a 3 packages you call it. So scroll down, you guys can see first is free, second is gold, and third is pro. So I'm going to explain a little bit about these 3 packages. So in the first free, which we're going to use in this video, and this will allow you to promote your offer to 1,000 people every single day. Okay, in the gold package, this website allow you to promote like all the members of all the email members, like more than 260 16,000 people you guys can promote your offer, and in pro plan you guys can also promote like 216,000 people to promote your offer. And scroll down, this is again also provide you like different things like like second is like free. This website gives you like more than 9,000 plus email addresses and solo ads and a lot of stuff. But if you buy the pro plan, this will cost you like $29 a year. And scroll down, if you buy like gold plan is expensive, like $39 a year. And in $39 they will also give you like more than 9,000 emails, solo ads, and like a lot of stuff, which I'm going to show you in a second, and proven 22,000 proven buyers. So we are not selecting this one. And if you want to buy like for lifetime, this will cost you like $69. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we just simply select the free one. Simply click and open the free one. Okay, so let's go to this side, and once you open this, your account will look like this once you click the free ones. Okay, so in here, this website gives you like a lot of ways to make money and sending traffic. So there's a lot of ways, but like majority of all these are paid methods, because we didn't buy a package. We are trying to make money with free methods, so that's why we are allowed only to promote with email marketing. And our goal is also to promote with email marketing. Simply click here and close this and scroll down. So these are rules, make sure read these rules and scroll down. So scroll down again. So there is two methods you guys can promote your offer. So first is a regular mailer and second is credit mailer. So in credit, so first of all I'm going to show you credit mailer means you guys allowed to promote like your ad like tens of thousands of times, but you need these credits. It means you want to promote your offer for one member, you need at least two credits. And if you want to start this credit mailer, you need at least minimum 500 credits. And how you guys can get these credits, you guys buy these credits, and these credits are really expensive. You guys can see 2.50 cents per one credit you guys can buy. So I'm not recommend to buy this. So that's why we're gonna simply go with a regular mailer. What regular mailer does, they will allow you to post your email to 1,000 people every single day, right? For example, if you post your email for like 30 days, it means you post your email for 30,000 people every single month if you do this method for every single day. Now what we're going to do is scroll down, and in here we just simply add our subject line, ad body, and our affiliate link. So that's why I told you open this your Digistore24 product affiliate page. So this is our email swipe. Simply click this. So first of all, you guys can see subject. Simply I'm gonna copy this and go back to there and simply type, and if we don't have a name, so that's why we call it like, hey, can you do this job today? And ad body is really important. So first of all, hey name, I'm gonna type hey, and again we don't have a name, so I'm just simply go hey there. And now we're gonna add all this ad body. Simply copy all this and make sure what we're gonna do with this ad copy, we just simply add our affiliate link in under this. And one more place is like click here to complete this process if you are interested. Again, we're gonna simply add our affiliate link in under this. Okay, and I'm gonna show you how. So go back, simply paste our link, and in the best wishes, this is at the end. We just simply go with like, for example, hustlers, and now we just simply add our affiliate link here in a second. So there is my affiliate link. I'm just simply use bit.ly and simply add your affiliate link. If you want to go with like this one, you can go with it and scroll all the way up. And again, we just simply give me a second. I'm gonna see, and there you go. Click here to complete the process if you're interested. Again, I'm gonna add my affiliate link, and again this. So once so you guys can see our email marketing is ready to go, and you guys simply add your affiliate link test URL and simply scroll down, and you guys can see submit ads. Make sure watch this, everything is all right, then you guys simply click submit ad. So right now you guys can see ad successfully submitted to 1,000 members.
So in this way you guys easily make a lot of money, because our email is sent it to 1,000 people through this website. Okay, so in this way you guys can easily make over $100 every single day, and you guys can also make up to $6,000 every single month. And I'm going to show you few estimates how you guys can make up to $6,000 every single month. So earning estimates. So for example, you promote your email to 1,000 people, means you send your email to 1,000 people every single day, and you did this method for 30 days. It means you send 30,000 emails in a single month, right? And out of 30,000 emails, for example, only one person people buy your product, it means 300 sales you get. And our average commission is $20 multiplied by 300 sales is equal to, you guys can easily make up to $6,000 every single month with this method. Okay,
so with this method you guys can make up to $6,000 a month with affiliate marketing, completely free traffic method. And one thing is very important, make sure you guys must show consistency with this method. And if you're a beginner, then make sure you guys watch this video.